Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Indian Raw. I'm Karthik. In this video, we'll find it why is this present generation going bad. We're calling it by the name Generation Z, Alpha, Beta and all. What are the negative about these people? What's wrong with them? When we talk about this present generation, why are they behaving like this? They are cheat, they are corrupt, they are addicted to drugs, some of them are wicked mindset, they are using an animal, they are filled with lust, and some of them are addicted to cigarettes, alcohol, and most of them are killing their spouse, children, and family. Why is it so? Where did they learn? What are the key factors influencing them? Let me take you through a short story. There was an auto driver named Karthik who lived with his family in a small village. He had a wife and two children, a son and a daughter. Near the village, there was a forest where a few tribal communities lived. One day, Karthik went into the forest alone. While wandering, he found tobacco, tried it, and kept some in his pocket before moving deeper into the forest. After walking a short distance, he discovered some drug leaves, used them as well, and kept some with him. As he continued walking, Karthik committed a grave and unforgivable act against an innocent girl he encountered in the forest. No one was there to help her, and Karthik fled the place. Later, he slipped and fell, and while getting up, he discovered her hidden gold treasure box. He took some jewels, hid the box underground, and continued on his way. Further ahead, he saw members of tribe drinking alcohol. He joined them briefly, drank with them, and then started heading back home. On the way, fear and greed overcame him. He worried that someone else might discover the forest and its secrets. He returned to the tribe, gave them some jewels, and ordered them not to allow anyone into the forest except him. The tribe accepted the jewels and agreed. Karthik returned home late at night and hid the jewels in his house. Later, he went outside and screamed loudly, gathering the villagers. When asked what happened, he claimed he had seen a devil near the forest and that a god had appeared to save him. He named the god Karma and warned everyone never to enter the forest. The villagers, frightened, returned to their homes. From that day on, people avoided the forest. One night, Karthik again went to the forest, repeating his actions, unaware that his young son, Junior Karthik, was secretly following him. The child witnessed everything and returned home. He later told his mother what he had seen. This led to a violent argument between Karthik and his wife. In a fit of uncontrollable rage, Karthik killed his wife, his son, and his daughter. Once again, he went outside screaming. The villagers gathered, and Karthik told them that his wife and children had gone into the forest and were killed by the devil. He claimed they must pray God so that such a tragedy would never happen again. That's the end of the story. Now, if Junior Karthik was alive, definitely he would have learned one of his father habits. Unfortunately, he killed by his father Karthik. Like that, this present generation is going worst because they have learned all this from the previous generation. Generation Y, X, W, V, and U. From you people, we are going bad day by day. You have found all these stupid craps, and you people have shown something to this generation. Now they are obsessed with doing that. You people always wanted to enjoy. You people are playing in the name of God and devil, and now you are restricting someone not to do this and teaching us all good things. And every day we people are taking a shower. Simply we are heading towards temple, mosque and church and all. And we pray, oh God, please forgive for all my sin. Bless me, I'm not going to repeat this again. What are people thinking? Is God your uncle? Is God your sibling? Is God your relative? Do you think is really going to help you and bless you and your family? First of all, our mindset is not good. It is cheat, it is corrupt, and it is filled with boundaries, ups and downs, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and still we all believe that God will help good people, some God will punish the bad people. God, which doesn't have any specific name, no one can imagine how is it, no one can touch it. I request everyone light a lamp in your soul before lighting in the temple, mosque, and chapel, and create the bright future for the next generation. God will definitely bless everyone. And lastly, I have a question. Is there any solution for all this? Let me know in the comment section. That's all for now. I'll meet you all with my next video that speaks about career. Thank you. Bye bye.